Yes. Ask any question. Today we shall talk about a method of memory allocation which is non-continuous memory allocation. Now let us see. Let total memory is 1000. Means 0 to 999. It is divided into frames of equal size. Let size is 10. Okay. So 1000 is total memory and we have divided into size of the 10. So we have got 100 frames. These frames are 0 to 99. Memory is from 0 to 999 and the frames are from 0 to 99. Can you tell me what are the boundaries of frame number 14? Type in the chart the boundaries of frame number 14. Wrong. Wrong. Gyan is wrong. Think about it. Nilanjan, think about it. What is frame number 0, Nilanjan? Frames are not from 1, they are from 0. Mrityunjay, what is 0th frame? No, it cannot be from 1. What is the 0th frame, Mrityunjay? 0th frame, first frame, second frame. Yes. 0th frame is 0 to 9. Fine. First frame is 10 to 19. 14th frame is 140 to 149. Is this correct? Kth frame is nk to nk plus 9. Is it correct? Yes. How many frames are allotted? Let a process needs 27 memory. How many frames are allotted? No. Prabhat Kumar Misra, what is written 0 to 99 written in the notepad? There are 100 frames and their numbers are from 0 to 99. Is it correct? There is no mistake in this. And then Niranjan, you also told that it is a mistake. No, it is not a mistake. It is correct. 100 frames are there and they are numbered as 0 to 99. A process needs 27 unit memory. 3 frames are allotted. Is it correct? Now, what is the wastage of memory? How much memory is wasted? Nilanjan is wrong. You see, 3 frames can store 30 memory and we are only utilizing 27. So this is waste and it is called page fragmentation. Is it correct? How much memory we have given? We have given 30 memory. Only 27 is needed. Is it correct? Yes. Let us write a general formula. Let a process needs K memory. How much is page fragmentation? Let us write down the formula. How much memory is wasted? A process needs K memory. How much is page fragmentation? How much memory is wasted? Can you write a formula? Wrong, Tushar. Tushar is wrong. K mod frame size is what is K? Wrong. Suman, small mistake. Suman, small mistake. What happens if K is 40? Suman. Gyan, wrong. Suppose a process needs 36 memory. What is the floor of K by 10? Wrong, Gyan. Others, such a long formula is not required. Yes, correct. Yes, Sai Krishna, you are correct. And I think two people gave very good answer. Ceiling is correct. Then 10 minus K percentage 10 is the best answer. Okay. Now, number of frames needed. Which say U equal to K by 10 and we want its upper bound. We want its upper bound. Or we can also call it ceiling. Others, why? Acha. That is correct. These many frames are needed. 10 into U is the total memory allotted, but out of this only K is needed. Is page fragmentation. Correct. Okay. Now let us further proceed. Now, let frame 29, 13 and 76 are allotted. Correct. A process needs some memory and we have allotted 3 frames to it. Now, what is the location of the virtual address 9? 6. What is physical address? Of virtual address 9, virtual address 7 or virtual address 6? Answer this question. Wrong. Gyan is also wrong. If K is equal to Roshan, what answer you have given? Wrong. Nilanjan is wrong. Gyan is wrong. Again, Gyan is wrong. Okay. Answer 296. Why? Reason is this. Logically, memory location 290 to 299 followed by 130 to 139 followed by 760 to 769 is the memory physically given to the process. So you can see here, a process needs 27 memory. It means it is to having 27 variables. Where is variable number 0? Variable number 0 is 290. Variable number 1 is 291. Variable number 9 is 299. Variable number 10 is 130. Variable number 16 is 136. Variable number 20 is 760. Variable number 26 is 766. Variable number 28 is what? Okay? Is the concept is clear to you? A process needs 27 memory. Yes, it has only 27 variables. So V27 does not exist. It has only 27 variables from V0 to V26. So V27 and V20 does not exist. Even V27 is also not existing. Any doubt now? Any doubt? Please ask question. Any doubt? I have written it here. Let a process needs 27 memory. Process need allotted. Okay. Suppose there is a process A, K. It needs 27 memory and it has been allotted memory 29, 13, 76. It has been allotted frames 29, 13, 76. Suppose there is a process U. It needs memory 43. it has been allotted frames 19, 07, 67, 28, and 34. Process M needs 12 memory, and it has been allotted frames 96 and 38. Is it correct? So we have talked about 3 processes. Okay. Now a question asked is this: what is physical address for virtual address 23 in U? Please answer this question. How 296, sir? Can you repeat what is 296? You see, a process is allotted memory 290 to 299, comma 130 to 139, comma 760 to 769. So the start is from 290. So virtual address 0 is 290, virtual address 1 is 291, so virtual address 6 is 296. Virtual address 10 is 130. Who asked me this question? How 296, Sivendra, is it clear to you? Sivendra, you asked me some question. Is it clear to you? Yes. Okay, now we shall see a general formula. How to convert a virtual address to a physical address. Suppose a process Y needs 143 memory. It will be allotted 14 frames. Suppose our frames are 12, 18, 02, 03, 15 frames. Yes. Gyan is correcting me. Very good. 12, 18, 02, 03. 81, 82, 85, 84, 86, 87, 88, 60, 62, 'Let us see whether 15 are over. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 0, 4. And you also see that no frames are duplicated. No number on them is to be common. You also see this. Is this all right to you? Okay. Now, physical address for twenty 104 in Y. Write the answer for it. Mistake, Mrityunjay. Dipankar, mistake. Okay. Let us see. We shall try to design a general formula. As far as K is concerned, what is frame 0 for K? Frame 0 is 29 for K. What is frame 1 for K? Frame 1 for K is 13. Frame 2 for K is 76. Correct? Agree? What is for Y? What is frame 10? Can you tell me what is frame 10 for Y? That is correct. Let us start counting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So frame 10 is 88. Is it correct? Now, what is physical address for virtual address 104 in Y? Now we shall try to write a general formula. Physical address for virtual address PQR in Y. Can you write a general formula? Can you write a general formula? Much simple, much simple. Much simple. All of you are correct till now, but much simple thing can be written. Sai Krishna, much simple. Sai Krishna is wrong. Sai Krishna is wrong. Nilanjan, Roshan, Pranab, Gyan are all correct, but they are not simple. Prabhat is wrong. Prabhat is wrong. Adarsh is wrong. Roshan has given the correct answer. FPQ concatenated with R, it is not multiplication. And as Gyan has written it, is N into FPQ plus R. Is it correct? So our answer is FPQ concatenated with R. This is our answer, not multiplication. Now, let us see. What is 127? Virtual 127. Virtual 120 is what is physical address for virtual 127. In Y. Let us see this. PQR is equal to 127. PQ is equal to 12. What is FPQ? Is equal to F12. Let us see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is equal to 62. Is it correct? So, virtual 127 is equal to physical. 62 will remain as it is. Afterwards, 7 will be added. Is this method of transformation is clear? Is this method of transformation is clear? F12 is 62. How? Frame 12 is 0, frame 0 is 12, frame 1 is 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So frame 12 is 62 and R is 7. Yes, these frames are allotted by operating system. Depends upon we have maintained a free list of frames. And if a process needs some memory, first few free frames are allotted. Is it correct? Yes. Correct. Yes, I will let you know. A process needs 27 memory. We have allotted 3 frames. And memory wasted is 3 because we have allotted 30 memory. In this case, 7 memory is wasted. In this case, 8 memory is wasted. This is page fragmentation. Table fragmentation is 6, 10, 4. What is fragmentation of a memory? Wastage of the memory is called fragmentation. Wastage of the memory is called fragmentation. Is it correct? Table fragmentation. Memory stored, memory wasted, memory used to store the address of the frames, because here 3 frame addresses are stored, and to store every frame address 2 digits are required. So total 6-digit memory is required to store the addresses where the process is stored, where the memory of the process is stored. Table fragmentation is memory needed to store addresses of the frames allocated to process. A process needs 27 memory. 3 frames are allotted. To store the address of each frame, 2 digits are needed. So 6 units of the memory has wasted for that purpose also. Is this clear to you? That is correct. It is 2 into, but in general it need not to be 2. In general it need not to be 2. It could be something more also. But here it is 2 into the number of the frames allotted. Any doubt? No, we wrote 0. Say yes. It should be counted as 2 only. It will be counted as 2. Yes, it will be counted as 2. No, frame numbers cannot be in 3 digits. There is 1000 memory and there are 100 frames. So every frame address will be in 2 digits only. Because you think in general, if total memory is n, let total memory is n. let frame size is S. How much space is needed? How much memory is needed to store one frame address? Answer this question. Answer this question. But there is a formula for that. Wrong you are. Most likely n percentage s will be 0. Let us assume that n is a perfect multiple of s. Formula for this is number of frames is n by s. Is it correct? So, how much memory is needed to store one frame address? Log n by s in base 10. Is it correct? Pranav has written little bit mistake, but better method will be this. How? Total memory 1000. Frame size 10. So number of frames 100. Now log 100 in base 10 is 2. Is this correct? Yes, assuming that each digit needs 1 unit memory to store. Okay, which may not be the correct thing. Okay, we need some measure. Some measure is required. Is it correct? Technically speaking, everything is done in binary. And everything comes in the number in terms of number of bits. Is it correct? Yes. What is the problem? That is correct. But for the time being, let us forget about it. Is it correct? Yes. Everything, all addresses are in binary. Is it correct? Okay. Yes, in reality, whatever you are written is correct. And total memory will not be 1000. Total memory will be 1024. Normally, we will assume that everything is in perfect power of 10. Is it correct? N will not be 200. N will be perfect power of 10. Then what is the meaning? If N and S are the same, then there will be only one frame. Does it have any meaning? It means that the entire memory will be allotted to one process. It is meaningless. No. Page, suppose a process needs memory which is perfect multiple of 10. Then there is nothing like page fragmentation. You see, we need 7 and we have given 30. So page fragmentation is 3. We need 12 and we have given 20. So memory wastage is 8. But here 4 digits are to be stored in the table. So 4 memory is wasted in this. Any doubt? Let us take another example. Total memory 1000, 10,000. Frame size 1000. So there are 10 frames, F0, F1, F2 up to F9. Is it correct? Or we should also say that the 10 frames are 0 to 9. There are 10 frames are there. Process A needs 3472 memory and it has been allotted frames number 3, 7. Yes, how many frames are required? What is internal fragmentation and what is table fragmentation? You write for this. A process needs 3472 memory. Page fragmentation. Table fragmentation. Write down. Yes. We need 4 frames. 528 is page fragmentation and 4 is table fragmentation because suppose we have allotted frame numbers 2, 3, 7, 0 and 5. We have allotted 4000 memory. 528 has gone wasted and we are storing 4 addresses and every address requires 1 digit. Is it correct? Process B needs 321634 memory. It has been allotted 8 and 6. Page fragmentation is 3, 4, 6, 6. And table fragmentation is 2. A process C needs 2178 memory. Suppose it has been allotted frame number 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there will be something like a page fragmentation. 1, 9, 2. Fine. What is inverted page table we are going to talk about? Yes, you are fully correct. Where is this is called the page table? Where is the page table stored? Is it correct? We need a method for conversion to virtual address to physical address. How we can convert it? By looking at the page table. Where is page table stored? Page table is also stored in some memory. Maybe in one of the frames. So that is why some part of this goes wasted. Harshvardhan has written the correct answer. Inverted page table. So this is above is page table. Following is inverted page table. Okay. What is inverted page table? What does page table do? Page table stores which frames are allotted and in which order. Inverted page table is opposite. Given a frame address, we can find out to which process it has been allotted and corresponding to with the process, what is the page number of it. Is it correct? We shall see to it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Frame 0 has been allotted to process A and it is frame page number 2. Process frame 1 has been allotted to process C. It is page number 0. Now you write down for 2 also, 3 also, you complete it. Does every process have its separate page table? No. There is a one combined table is there, and in the table there is an entry corresponding to every process. Is it correct? Yes. Rather, every process has got its separate list of the frames allotted. Pranav. Because
Sir, I'm not talking about inverted page table. In normal
page
page
table
table.
means inverted page table means because there are 10 frames are there. These frames are from 0 to 9. Frame number 0 has been allotted to process number A, page 2. Process number A, page 0 is frame 3. Process number A, page 1 is frame 7. Process number A, page 2 is 0. Do you agree?
Yes, sir, got it.
Got it. Others should also ask it. 2 is what? Write down what is 2. Write down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write down each of these. Correct. What is 3? A2, C0, A0. What is 4? 4 has not been allotted to anyone. Let us write down NN. It has not been allotted to anyone. Is it correct? So we can also say it is free. It is free. 4 is free. In this way, we can complete the entire thing. Is this thing has been clear to you? Now, correct. Now, what is formula? What is physical address? Now, let memory 1024, frame size 8. Now, memory address will be in 10 bits. Let us think everything in binary. Memory address is in 10 bits. Is it correct? Now, how to find physical address for virtual address? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Can you think about its formula? Okay, maybe, yes. Most likely inverted page table is stored in the disk. Most likely, I may be wrong also. Is it correct? Yes. Okay? Yes. Everything is in binary. Now, I will ask few questions. To store a frame address, how many bits are required? You should be able to answer these questions. My class is over. Discussion can be done. Very good, Nilanjan. Nilanjan has given the best answer. Is it correct? Nilanjan has given the best answer. Class is over. Yes, now I am doing cut paste of this into chart. Any person can ask question. Class is over. Any question? No, forget about it. I can give you separate time for discussion. Is it correct? Yes. You go for now and come separate time for discussion. Any other person has got any doubt? Because students want that the recording should be stopped. Rather, I have forgotten and you remind